Marry you. I must marry you by fire, by force. How are you guys doing? Happy weekend, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. May God bless you. Hope you guys are doing fine. Hope you guys are doing great. Hope you guys are amazing. How you guys doing once again? For my new subscriber, I really appreciate you guys. May God bless you. God do for you. God make a way for you when there is no way. Anything you want God to do for you must surely fulfill in your life. In Jesus' name, amen. For you that have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, that just watching my video, you just go away like that, please subscribe, because you do, God bless you. So if today is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, please, I want you to subscribe. No matter how I call it, you understand what I mean. Hit the notification bell. As you do, God bless you. So today, my topic today, I don't know how to put it, but anyhow I put it, I just want you guys to take it like that, with love. So there is a video that come across my way yesterday. I think 3-4 people sent the video for me. I'm going to play the video. But before playing the video, I want to say something. That number one is that I don't know what will make you think that maybe this person offend me and I'm going to destroy this person. No matter what it takes, I'm going to make sure I destroy this person, or I put this person down, or I make people hate this person, or I just want to let this person know that I'm stronger than he or her, or I'm bigger than she or he. So no matter what someone did to you, maybe you call that person and tell he or her that this thing that you did to me is very annoying. I don't like it. Because why? You don't know where you are going to meet tomorrow. You don't know what will bring you people together tomorrow. Not for you, for your children, for your family. We are all growing. We are getting old every day. We are not getting more younger. So, my ladies, my men, no matter what people do to you, no matter what your friend do to you, then you just feel like, how can I do to weaken this person? Why can't you just let go? Just let go. I know it's very painful. Maybe when someone hurts you and you look around, you just say that, yes, this person, I'm going to pay back. There is nothing like payback. Just let go so that your heart can be free. That is how your heart can be free. That is how you yourself can be free. My dear, there is nobody in this life that is perfect. There is nobody in this life that people are not talking about. There is nobody in this life that people, even the people that already died, people still talk about them. They already died, but people still talk about them. Say, don't mind, not be so thing I kill not be this one I go do, now you can't go see this thing. You know, people still talk about them. talk less of we that we are alive. Even me myself, people still talk about me. No matter how good you are, people will still talk. No matter how bad you are, people will still talk. So people do talk about one of us every blessed day. Even me, I do talk about people. Even you do talk about people. There is nobody that we say that is plain, that since he was born, he have never gossiped someone, he have never talked bad against someone. No, it's only our Christ that is pure. So the topic of my video today is that you just let go. When someone did you something that hurt you, that pained you, that you just feel like, what am I going to do to this person? I, Lady J, I'm telling you, please let go. When you let go of what someone did to you, you will see your way will be open, your way will be pure, your doing will be okay. Even no matter what you lay your hand on, you will just see that you are growing. So can you just imagine, maybe now you just did something to me, maybe you snatched my boyfriend, or you stole my money, or I don't know, maybe you talk about me outside, because I don't know what somebody may do to you that may pain you more than all those things that I'm talking about. Maybe when I don't expect you can do me bad, you do me bad there. Then I just feel like, what am I going to do to destroy this person? What am I going to do to wicked this person? What am I going to do to like people to hate this person? Maybe this person is very famous, this person is very popular, this person is person that people respect much. So now I want to do this thing just to destroy this person's future, or in life, or in marriage, or in children. Number one, I'm begging you, just let go. No matter what someone did to you in life, even though you don't have the way to pay that person back, that thing that he did to you that pained you, even though you didn't fight yourself, your spirit, your creator is fighting for you. Even though you don't do something yourself, there is a spirit that you don't even see that is fighting your battle for you. There is Lord fighting your battle for you. So sometimes you just to let go. So I don't know how can somebody just, now it's very easy. We use different kind of phone every day. We use different kind of phone every day. There is a S12 now. There is different kind of phone. There is iPhone. There is this. There is that. iPhone 12 is raining now. So me, I have no less than 7 to 8 phone inside my house. So I can use it to do whatever I want to do. But are we making the good decision? Are we making a right decision? Before we do that thing that we want to do, are we thinking about what that person that we want to do that thing to, the pain that is going to feel? Are we really thinking that what is going to lose is marriage, is marital life, is moving forward in life? Many things we are going to destroy for that person. Pardon me, I don't know how to speak very well, but no matter how I speak it, you just have to take it like that. I believe you understand what I'm trying to say. Okay? Are we doing those things just because we want to destroy one person? Do we know that we are not just destroying one person? We are destroying the person, entire family, everything about that person. Because now, maybe by mistake, maybe I did you something wrong, something very bad. You just look at it that this Lady J, what am I going to do to just wicked her, or to just pull her down? Then you just take my pictures from my Facebook. You just go Google it, then you put it on naked. It's very easy. There's nothing phone did not do now. Phone do many things in life now. Just naked it, then you posted it. She come to me, which you never see her before. which you don't even know her. Just take her. She come to my house. I slept with her. When she was sleeping, I snap her this her naked. You post it. People outside there will believe. People outside there will believe. Even your children. They will say, oh, so my mommy can do such a thing. Your family back home. They will be ashamed of you. Even they cannot talk in public. You are not just wicked. You are not just doing it for me alone. You are doing it, including my family. Maybe when they come out, they will say, look at them. That is their sister that is naked, though. That is their sister that they do this. I know it's not going to last forever. But for that little time you made it, do you know what that person is passing through? Do you know what that person is passing through? My brothers and sisters, why can't I just learn how to let go? I know that to let go is not easy. But sometimes you just have to let go. Please, I'm begging you. Because there is a video I saw yesterday. Somebody sent for me on Messenger. Talking about Monica, this and that, Lolo, this person has slept with them, then he now take their nakedness, they are already in contact with HIV, they are this. My dear, someone that is in contact with HIV cannot come out and tell you that she's in contact with HIV. Either you take it or you leave it. Someone that is in contact with HIV will not come out and tell you that, yes, I'm in contact with HIV. Either you take it or you leave it. Because it's not written in your head. It's not written in my head. Maybe you are talking to somebody. Maybe that person did not listen to you. You like that person. You are trying to get of her. Maybe that person is not listening to you. All what you can do is to take a picture, to take it to media to be destroying her or to be destroying him. Media is not made for that. I don't think that even the people that even make this internet of a thing, that made YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp, I don't think we even know them one-on-one. But we that they made this for, we are using it to destroy ourselves. We are using it to destroy our future. We are using it to destroy our life, which is not supposed to be that way. Which is not supposed to be that way. If you know that maybe somebody hurt you, you don't want to let go. Maybe you want to destroy that person. Not by giving her different kind of name. Not by destroying her will make you to be okay. There is something you just call that person. Look, this thing that you did to me is very annoying. It's very painful. If it's not for God, I know what to do to destroy you. I know what to do. You understand? Even telling her that, she will sit down and think, no, upon all what I do to this person, so he still have the right to call me. You will see, even her conscience will be judging her. Her conscience will be judging her. She will be regretting, oh, why did I do this thing self? Why I even do this thing self? This person, why they talk bad of? He not even get my time. Me, I just dey here now, they destroy that person. Sure, you understand? So that video was talking the guy that have an HIV. I know that the video will be going on Facebook, on everywhere. But I want people to know one thing, that if somebody don't like you, he really want to destroy you, there is a lot of way that he can destroy you. Not everything you see on media that you just believe. Not everything you see on net that you just believe. Then once that thing just happen, the next thing that you just do, just to be showing that thing, just to let people know that this thing is free. Not everything that is free. People can easily do something to destroy your life. So I'm going to play this video now, so you can see what I'm trying to say. You can be able to measure everybody on media. They are sleeping with this person. showing their announcement. You are a doctor, the person come to you, and confirm. You interview that person. After you interview that person, because you are a doctor, you now know that this person is HIV positive. Then he has slept with this, he has slept with this, he has slept with this. Can we just imagine? So what I'm trying to say is that, can we just imagine? You are a doctor, then I come to you to explain to you that I'm an HIV positive. What is the audacity to take my picture out to tell people that I'm HIV positive? Then I'm not telling you that I slept with Yemi, I slept with TG, I slept with BJ, I slept. Can we just use the little brain that we have? Not everybody that go to school that have this brain. You may even go to school, you may even be graduate, you may not have just single brain, you will not have it. There is people that don't even go to school that have this brain more than people that go to school. So in this video now, can we just use little brain that we have? Like, you call yourself a doctor, somebody called to you and confiding you that he's HIV positive. Then he has slept with Monica, he has slept with Lolo, he has slept with this, he has slept with this, he has slept with this. All what you can do is to bring their picture out. You know what they say, you make someone interview. Somebody come to you to tell you about her life or about his life. Then all what you can do is to come out on media to be talking about, because you are a law choosing, you are a Christian, you just want to talk about it. My dear, if you are a Christian, you are a law choosing, you want to be help to someone, it's not until when you come out and start showing pictures of that person that for victory on that scales. It's not until when you come out and start showing this Joy, this person has slept with Joy, this Joy picture, this person has slept with Monica, this Monica picture, this person has slept with Doje, this is Doje's picture. No, you don't need it. No, are you trying to destroy that Monica's house? Or you are trying to destroy that Remy's house? Or you are trying to destroy that Joy's life? No. You are not trying to save people. You are just trying to expose those people. Let people make jest of those people. That's what you are trying to do, my dear. That is what you are trying to do. Because you said that you just made this video to let people know as a child of God you are. Can you hear? Yes, you can see.
Is concerned, the announcement is being published to the general public to avoid him spreading the virus among women and there. This young man is at his early age of 48 years old. He hails from Orion local government area in Edo State, Benin City, Nigeria. He resides in Germany with a temporary humanitarian asylum protection document given to him by the German Asylum Immigration. He has been here in Deutschland for about 5 to 6 years now. He has no work at the moment, but he's being given a little allowance between 500 to 600 euros from the state pocket for his upkeep. He's a single man and he has no children. He's tall and fair in complexion. His Facebook name is Enogie, is priceless. While interviewing this very guy, this is the guy here. So, while interviewing this very guy, this is the guy. Okay. the guy. Okay, why interviewing him? He said they have slept with many women. Almost all the social media presenters, women out there. Okay, I will be showing some photos of some women. You know, there is a video he made last time that Monica Lobo gave him 2,000 euro for 1 hour. So that lady also have HIV. You know, Monica paid the 2,000 euro to blaspheme someone, and that was how they contacted this HIV. He mentioned it. He said Monica has HIV. This is girlfriend. Priceless also have HIV. There is another lady, Precious Meg, and many others. You know, they have HIV. You know, he said he has been sleeping with many women, and all these women, they are, you know, when he sleep with them, put them in his post.
So me, Lady J, what I'm trying to say about this video is that I did not say maybe you are lying or you are not lying. I did not say maybe you are saying the truth or you are not saying the truth.
This is
But coming out, showing their pictures, it doesn't make sense, my dear sister. It doesn't make sense. Not everything that we see in life that we use as a public something. I know you said you are helping people to stay away from this guy. You can easily measure this guy name, even not to show his pictures. People beware of this. There is how you advise someone without showing his picture. My dear, show his picture. If a lot of people want to still go to meet this guy, they will still go. Because this guy have a lot of things to make them know that you are lying. Why can't you show? If you want to make this kind of public something in life, when that boy is talking to you, when both of you are sitting down, when you said you are interviewing this person, now that sign, so now go to do the video, everybody go to see him. My dear, sometimes we dey use our brain. I not say the girl they lie, oh. I not say the girl not they lie. But you get some kind of things where be say, my dear, if person won't spoil your life, it won't really damage you. Nothing where that person not fit do to take damage your life. Nothing where that person not fit do to take spoil you. Not be now where be say any small thing begin like this now. Social media don't carry on. It dey very easy now to take spoil person life. So if you want really prove it, say this true thing, you really interview this guy. Why can't you make the video like as me and you dey talk? Me and as I dey talk now, I dey on video now. I dey talk. People know say yes, now my mouth now this thing for the come out. You sit down with me, I sit down with you. I dey tell you this thing where I say I do now. I dey count those people where I sleep with. Now that sign, now I go tell no say yes. What you are saying, not true. Like when I make one video last week, Saturday, say, Savini about Savini. The third day, I don't think that video reached out to 3 days. Before we see, Savini is outside. He's shouting, Avanculo this, Avanculo this. He's shouting. He let people know that he's very angry. So people that watch my video that very day, and I see the Savini the third day, we know that, what this lady is saying, what this lady is saying, she's saying the truth. She's really right. You understand? Not just come out and say something, then after saying it, the next day you will not hear that the Savini is on the post. People will say, why is that girl even say yesterday? Is she crazy? Does she even know what she's talking about? That's what people will say. So, my dear, we don't just make some video just because we want to destroy person. Okay, you are showing this guy video now. How do I know? Maybe you are saying the truth. You can easily take my own picture from my Facebook and showing to people that this lady said this lady is this. People will easily take it from you. But people that have brain, that really have the common sense that we are talking about, they will know that maybe you and this person are having an issue. You are looking for a way to destroy this person. Because me, if I want to say anything about person, I will have the evidence. Not even the picture, not only the pictures, the evidence. See, let me tell you something, my dear lady. Things is going around now. Things is really changing. Life is not the way it is before. Nowadays, if you want to really talk about people that you want to really say the truth, make the video about that person. Show the video when both of you are sitting down and talking this thing. You can easily also go to my Facebook and take my picture and also say I'm among the people that this man slept with. People that will take it. Whereas they don't even know that I don't leave my room I've never been to this Germany before all my life. All my life I'm just Italy. I've never traveled to any other country before. So people will believe you because you said that this man said I have already slept with all the celebrating in media. That's what you are trying to talk about. So, my dear, I want to advise you. If there is anything that someone did to you, if you don't let go, have the few evidence. Don't just come out and talk about people. I don't know the people. Even the Monica, I don't know her. Even the Lolo you are talking about, I don't know her. Even the people that you are saying that I don't know them. I don't want to know them. But I'm just using this advice to people who have the ear, let them hear. Don't just share people's pictures because you want to share. Don't just share people pictures, people video because you want to share. No. Before you say something against people, sit down and think it very well. Use your brain and know that maybe this thing that I'm going to say, there is people that will believe it. Also, there is people that will not believe it. Not everybody that have deaf and dumb, Not everybody that their brain is not working. There is many people that their brain is still working. Their brain have not done. So we don't just come online to start destroying people's name. My sister, I'm not saying you say the truth or you say the lie or you are saying lie. Sorry. What I'm trying to tell you now that you did a big mistake. Do you know the mistake you did? Showing those ladies' picture, those married women, you are showing their pictures. You are destroying those married women. You are destroying their marriage. You are destroying their children, which is not supposed to be that way. If somebody did something, if it's really true that you really interviewed this person, that is what he told you. You don't just come out and start blah, 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 blah. No. There is way you make it. You can sit this person down. Please, can you help me? Stop doing this thing that you said you are doing. When those ladies come to you, easily tell them that you are contact. There is how you talk to this same man you are talking about. His brain will be calm. If there is evil thing inside him that he want to be doing, he will easily stop. But bringing the picture out like this, showing to people, spreading this news, do you think that everybody is going to listen? Who will still go for this guy tomorrow will still go for this guy. Today is not the first day we are seeing the picture that they are showing. This guy, not go near him, he get HIV. This boy, not go near him, he get HIV. Someone can also do this to me too. Maybe you approach me now, I not agree for you. Maybe don't quick you send me money, I don't chop your money. You can't, they expect me, I not come. The next thing na to carry my picture now, carry go media, say, so person, na so person be. My dear, there is some kind of video we just see. Now just to learn. I know say many people now go don't believe what this lady they talk. And many people go still the way be say they go still use their brain. Me, I not believe. For me, Lady J, I not believe. Because why? If I believe, like this Europe country where we there now, if you go now say you want go do interview for work, come on, just only interview for work. Oh. You go sit down, I go sit down. Shey you understand? You go dey interview me, I go dey talk. Na so e be. Even people wey they still dey go commission, wey dem still dey go dey commit themselves, wey dey na so they sit down, they talk. 4 people go dey there. Shey you understand? Even teachers, even doctors, If I wan go meet my daughter now, I wan talk to my daughter, at least maybe I wan tell her say I get belle or see where they pay me, or see me and she go sit down, we go dey talk one on one. So this kind video, when me and she dey talk, maybe she know say maybe this my story wey I dey narrate, so na story wey be say e go value to me tomorrow, or e go value to people outside, or people go take lis ten, or people go take change their way. E go say, can I make this story on video? If I permit you, say yes, make it on video. You can easily make it on video and share to people. People will know that yes, it's really true. You can see this is the video. But now you said you interview this person, you talk. Why can't you just make the video? Let everybody see what you are talking about. Let everybody know that it's true. But just bringing those pictures out, talking about them, I can easily snap picture with the guy. Maybe this same guy we are talking, maybe it is among my family, is my brother, or nobody know that we are relating. Or maybe we are family somewhere, maybe it's my friend, or I just come to say, ah, lady, can we snap picture together? Since you are a celebrity, can we? Many people like to snap picture with a celebrity. Maybe this guy, unfortunately, just snap picture with this person. At the end of the day, you just bring the picture out that this is this. No, they don't do that. Person like me now, sometimes I go outside, I just say, I'll just see person where I just like, I'll say, brother, we fit snap together. It's not maybe because I snap the picture with him means that maybe he's sleeping with me. With even me, I don't even like it anyway. But there is people that like it. So we don't just come on media to talk. We don't just talk about people's life. We don't just destroy people's life because we want to destroy people's life. It's not done that way. Sometimes let's use our brain before coming out to talk. Sorry, my lady. That video you make is very wrong. It's very wrong. But anyway, take it the way you want to take it. I don't care. For me, I've said my own. Who want to listen? To listen. Who don't want to listen? Bro. Hey. So how you guys doing? Hope you are fine. So let's forget about HIV or no HIV. HIV will not be your portion. HIV will not be my portion. This year is going to be a good news we will be hearing. We will not be hearing all those bad news. Let's be hearing a good news, a news that will change our life, a news that will make us to be okay, not bad news. That is what God planned for us 2020, and 2020 is going to be our year, a year of divine, a year of moving forward, a year of relocation, a year of doing good things in life. May God bless you. For my old subscriber, thank you. God bless you. For the new one, please, anytime you come across my video, try to subscribe. Put your opinion. Let me know what you think about the video that I make. If you don't like it, turn it down. If you like it, turn it up. Comment, subscribe. God bless you as you do. Love you all. Happy weekend once again. Bye-bye. See you next week Saturday. May God